My biggest dream, which I never thought will ever come true, came true in 2024. I've been dreaming of going to Paris and see the Eiffel Tower with my own eyes for like forever. And last year, my husband gave me the biggest surprise of my life.
Oh my goodness! Right behind me!
And guess what? And I have to show you this. This photo frame here has been mindlessly sitting on my desk like a piece of decor for about a year, and I didn't even know it's a picture of Disneyland Paris. So I quickly ran back to my desk when he gave me this news, and I googled all the Disneylands in the world, and of course this pink castle was the one in Paris, and I had no idea. Today we are making something that's going to change your life. Yep, I'm talking about a vision board that actually works. So sit up, grab your coffee, I've got my matcha here, and let's get to work. This is not just any vision board, okay? What you've seen so far in vision boards are a bunch of photos of the future you, things you want in your life, places you want to go see, the love you want in your life, and all that is incredible. But most of the times, these visions never come true. You know why? Because most of these visions of the future you are not aligned with your present thoughts, beliefs, and most importantly, your actions that will get you there. Hi, I'm Shobh, and I've spent 11 years studying and understanding everything about manifestation, visualization, and the power of journaling. And I'm here to share everything that I know with you. Have you ever wondered how top racers prepare for victory? It's not just about the physical training, it's a mental game too. These athletes imagine themselves running the race, feeling every step, and crossing that finish line, and they hear the crowds cheer for them. And here's the science. When you visualize an action, your brain activates many of the same neural pathways that it would during the actual event. You got these inbuilt neurotransmitters in you like dopamine and serotonin that activate when you visualize correctly. Even your motor cortex, the part of the brain that's responsible for movement, it lights up. It creates a sort of a mental rehearsal. And this will activate the neural pathways, almost like practicing without moving a muscle. It's how you train your brain to expect success. So when race day comes, your body knows exactly what to do. Okay, now that's enough science for the day. And now let's apply all of that into building your most powerful vision board. Let's begin with chapter number 1, my 3-step secret to manifesting anything. The vision board I created for 2025, it has got 3 boards in them. So it's got the be, do, and have. We are about to dive into this powerful strategy that's going to help you not just dream big, but get clear, get focused, and start acting like the badass queen you were born to be. So ready? Let's go. But hold up, before we dive into this, I need you to hit that like button, because trust me, you want to share this journey with your friends, your sisters, your whole squad. And subscribe if you haven't already, because we are building empires here, baby. A vision board is not just some arts and craft project, and this video is certainly not that. It's your personal GPS to the life you want. It's a declaration to the universe that you are done waiting and ready to make your dreams a reality. But, a big but here, it's more than just pictures, pretty pictures. This board is all about 3 things: being, doing, and having. And let me tell you, once you nail these 3 categories, you won't just hope for your dreams, you'll start living them. Let me drop some truth bombs on you. Most people get this whole success thing totally backwards. They are out here thinking, when I have the money, the body, the dream job, then I'll start doing the work and finally feel like I've made it. Now, sis, That's not how it works. Here's the real deal. It's the be, do, have principle. You've got to start by being that girl, the one who knows she's a boss before anyone else does. You want to be fit? Start being the person who makes healthy choices and doesn't skip a workout. You want to run your own empire? Start being the CEO in your own energy, your mindset, and how you show up every day, even if your current job is not that of a CEO. When you step into that identity, the doing becomes automatic. You'll do it what it takes without second guessing, because you already know who you are. And then you'll have the success, the confidence, and the life you've been chasing. So stop waiting for the right time or the right vibe. It's just a myth. Be that girl now. Do the work. Have the life. Ready to level up? Good, because we are about to go in deeper. Chapter 2, gathering your tools like a boss. So these are the things that you will need to make your vision board, okay? Here's your checklist. Number 1, poster board. Go big or go home. Magazines, the thicker, the better, because we are going to cut out everything. Scissors, sharp enough to cut through your doubts. Glue, because we are sticking to our goals this year, okay? And then you can have markers, stickers, washi tape, extra glitter if you feel extra. I don't care. And hey, don't forget that journal. Journal, bestie. You are going to get so clear on your goals that you'll need a notebook to jot down all your visions and dreams. And we don't have magazines, girl, no excuses. Get creative. Print stuff off Pinterest or go raid your friend's house. I don't know. I don't care. Do what you got to do. Okay? That brings us to chapter 3. Let's get clear with some journaling prompts. Here's the real tea, okay? Before we start cutting out any of the pictures, we need to get clear on what we want. I'm talking about vision clarity like you've never had before. I'm gonna give you some badass prompts to get your mind firing on all cylinders, okay? Are you ready? Okay. We are gonna start with the last section first. What do you want to have in your possession by the end of year 2025? What are you claiming this year? What do you really want to have at the end of this year? Is it a new car? Is it promotion at work? Is it a pay rise, a killer body, a new wardrobe? Don't be shy. Dream like there's no limit, because dreams have zero limits. Next is your second category, which is the doing. Now I want you to ask yourself this. What does someone who has all those things you want to have do? Say, for example, you want to transform your body, get lean and fit and tight, and you have a picture in mind. Now ask, what does the daily routine of that girl look like? Well, the answer is pretty clear, isn't it? She goes to the gym 4 to 5 days a week. She doesn't eat junk food. She eats wholesome, nutritious food. She gets a good sleep. You see where I'm going with this? And this right here is my top secret. It's the doing. The action that most of us miss out on and wonder why none of the dreams came true. And I have been there, just daydreaming and doing absolutely all. And there is a reason why we don't take any action. I'll get to that point later in the video. But let me finish with the journaling prompts here. The next prompt you're going to ask is, what do I need to do differently this year to have the things I want? You cannot expect to have a different result with the same old approach. Something needs to change. It's inevitable. Or it won't be a new year, new you. It'll just be another year gone by. Scary, right? And we are going to change that, because we are going to change who we are and what we do, so that we can have whatever we want, okay? So I got you, don't you worry. The third prompt, what new habits do you need to build to make those goals happen? This is where the meat is, girl. This is the daily grind, the real deal. And I hate to break it to you, but you will not feel motivated every day. You're gonna feel like shit some days, and that's exactly how life is supposed to be. And yet, amidst all that pain and sorrows of daily life, the new you will emerge. I personally always thought that I was the phoenix. a mighty, glorious bird of fire that rose from the ashes. And each and every single time life pulled me down, I rose up to the challenge. And now you will too. I cannot emphasize more about the power of habits. It's these daily habits that will one day free you. Make a habit so ingrained in you that it becomes second nature. You're on autopilot and you'll start doing things you are meant to do subconsciously. You don't even need to plan it or think it. You'll just do. Okay, now comes the final section, which is the being. Remember, I asked you earlier, think who the future you is. What has she become? Who has she turned into? Is she this fearless, bold woman who is so confident and aware of a powerful presence? List all the qualities and the lifestyle this future you is living. How does she travel? In first class, as if it's the new norm for her? What does her life look like? Is she a morning person? Does she meditate? What are her qualities and traits that got her to where she wanted to be? What words would you use to describe her? What's the energy she carries? Use powerful words that ignite those same attributes in you. Fearless, unstoppable, powerful, bold, badass, yet kind, loving, generous, compassionate, inspiring. Now that you have literally created a pathway to your dreams, take a minute to absorb what you just did there. Don't rush it. You've got time. You're building your future, girl. So go ahead and visualize this future you. I will have another video on my personal visualization process. And this is a good time to remind you to subscribe if you want to learn more about the exact science of manifestation that work like a charm for me. This brings us to the final chapter, number 4, sorting your dreams into being, doing, and having. Now go ahead and get your hands dirty. Fold up your sleeves, roll up your sleeves. Start doing all the sorting of these pictures into 3 separate piles. Be, do, and have. To give you a basic idea, here's how I got my vision board done. I got 3 canvas boards for the being board. I found pictures that represent the woman I want to become. I have powerful quotes that gave me a feeling of the woman confidently stepping into her power. I even used AI to create images of me with my face on it. And for the doing, I grabbed images of actions I want to take, like vlogging and editing my videos and public speaking, eating healthy, working out in the gym. And guys, spend most of your time here in this section. You can even break this section further into habits, routines, and mindset. Remember, this part here is your bridge that will take you from the current you to the future you. You need to see yourself doing these actions. These images should inspire you to take action, spring you into action mode. And finally, the last section, the have section. This is where the dream stuff goes. So what do you want to possess or experience? A new house, a fancy car, a designer bag or bags, whatever, who cares? Own it. Make sure every single picture makes you feel like you're ready to level up. This board is going to represent you at your most powerful. So get real with it, okay? Remember, there is no perfection here. If things don't fit exactly, it's fine. This is your dream. There are no rules in this game and it's your vision. So make it bold, make it unapologetic, and make it you. And yes, if you want to throw in a bit of glitter or some motivational quotes, your value words, do it. This board is your power tool for manifesting everything you desire. Now, it's time to hang that masterpiece where you can see it every single day. You've worked hard on this, so make sure it's in a spot that makes you feel powerful, that you see every day. And here's the key. Every morning, look at it, feel it, let it sink into your soul. Ask yourself, what's one thing I can do today to get closer to the being, doing, and having that I'm claiming? This isn't just a dream board. This is your blueprint to a life you're going to own. And that's it, queens. Your vision board is your manifestation tool, and you've just designed the blueprint to your dream life. It's going to happen. It is happening right now. Keep showing up, keep doing the work, and watch your dreams unfold. And now I want to hear from you. Drop a comment below and tell me what's going on your vision board this year. Don't forget to like, share this with your besties, because strong women lift each other up. and subscribe for more. Let's crush this year together, ladies. Keep shining and keep leveling up. And thank you for watching.